So, writing the formula we will require two terms, one is symbol and then the valency. I hope all of you can remember the definition of that. Now, as we have told you in the last class that how to write the formula, just for example methane, what are the constituents here? Composition here, carbon and hydrogen. Okay. Now, they will add according to their valency. Yes, this is hydrocarbon, and they will add according to their valency to satisfy or to make a stable formula. Now, the formula is CH4. Again, take one example, that is NH3, that is ammonia. Here the constituents are nitrogen and hydrogen. Now, here also they will add according to their valency. So, nitrogen and the ammonia combine to form NH3. So, these are the simple formula of the compound. Okay. Now, when there is some ionic compounds, then how to represent their formula? I have told you about the symbol and also the valency of that particular ion. It may be cation or anion. What is cations? What is cation? What is cation? Cation. First of all, it is a Riddhita, Annesha, both of you are wrong. Shubham has given the correct answer. It is the positively charged ion. Negatively charged ion is called anion. It is the negatively charged. Cation is positively charged. Okay. So, cation and anion. Now, I will make a chart where there will be their respective valencies and also the symbol. So, in the left column, I will mention the cation with their valency, and in the right column, I will write anions with their valency. Now, first of all, hydrogen, H, valency is 1. Then sodium, valency 1. Calcium, valency 2. Magnesium, valency 2. Strontium, valency 2. Iron, 2 or 3 depending upon the specific compounds. It may be 2 or 3. And what is this property is called? Cations is present in cathode or anode. Cations, yes, it is a part of electrolysis. It is a cation is positive. So, here the positive charge is, that is the oxidation is there, where oxidation occurs in anode, oxidation occurs. So, it would be the anode. In anode the oxidation occurs. So, the cations will be on the anode. What is this property is called? What is this property? Iron showing valency 2 or 3. What is this property is called? Last day I told about this. that iron, the copper, the lead, these show such type of property. Not all the elements, it is some specifically, yes, valency, but before valency there is one word. What is this? Not isotope. This is not isotope. How it is isotope? Isotope is different, totally different isotope. No divalent. Yes, obviously it is divalent, it is trivalent. Yes, one is ferrous, another one is ferric. So the property is called variable valency. Write it down. Variable valency. When an element shows more than one valency in its compounds, then it would be called as variable valency. And name some cations is the lead, the iron, the copper, etc. All the transition elements, so manganese, all the transition elements, that is D block elements, are showing such kind of property. Clear? Now iron, then move to barium 2, then cobalt 2, zinc 2, lithium 1, potassium 1, argon is a fluorine will be on that side, on the anionic side. Fluorine will be on the anionic side. Copper plus 1, 1 or 2. You can see the lower half of the board. No, up to which you can see zinc, you can see zinc, lithium, zinc you can see, lithium till K. Okay, only copper is left there. Okay, I am writing here the copper. Copper 1 or 2. After lithium it is potassium and then copper. Silver 1. Silver also shows variable valencies, but the stable one is 1. Silver 1. Manganese. Manganese shows variable valencies. I am writing here 4. 4, 7 you can write. Now go to the another side where this part is completed. Valency of cations. Okay, come to the another side, that is anions. Now anion, first of all chloride 1, bromine 1, nitrate 1, chlorine 1, sulfide 2, sulfite 2, sulfate 2, thiosulfate 2. Then come to phosphate, PO4 3. Here one is left, aluminium 3, phosphate 3. Then nitrate, okay, nitrate already mentioned. Then come to bicarbonate 1, carbonate 2, oxygen 2, sulfur it may shows the positive character also, so not to mention here sulfur, only sulfur. Four or seven, manganese, Mn. Yes, hydroxide is there, hydroxide 1. Then you will write some more. What are these? You will write there. Okay, if this part is completed, that chloride, bromide, nitrate, fluoride, then I will delete this portion, I will rub this and I will write 3 more anion. Aluminium 3, yes. Just think about one compound of aluminium. Okay, so I am rubbing this because these anions are not only single anion, it is the radical anion. So write down the name first, that is dichromate. Then write down the formula Cr2O7 and the valency is 2. Write down chromate, CHROMATE, CrO4. Write down the valency 2. Then write permanganate. Write down the formula MnO4. It is 1. Also 1 is there. Write down here ammonium, NH4, and the valency right here 1 in cationic part. I am repeating again, dichromate, DICHROMATE, Cr2O7 is the formula of that, valency is 2, chromate is CrO4, the symbol, it is the formula, valency is 2, permanganate, and if it is manganate then it would be MnO4 2 minus, that is the valency will be MnO4 2, manganate MnO4, but it is 2. Here permanganate, here only manganate. Okay, if you have completed, then I will move to the structural representation of compound one by one. I think the left column, the valency of cation already completed. I can rub this part. Okay, so let's start one example from your NCERT textbook. The first example is given here is hydrogen chloride. Okay, so first number 1 is that write down the symbol of the constituent. So hydrogen H, then chlorine. Number 2, write their valencies. Hydrogen, what is the valency of hydrogen? What is the valency of hydrogen? And what is the valency of chlorine? 1, yes. So 1 and 1. Number 3, cross multiply them. So H1 Cl1, but here it is called the formula that is formula weight, when we will simplify the formula, that is no need to mention the 1, and if there is, suppose there is 2 is there, suppose H2Cl2 is there, then we will simplify it to that form, that is HCl. This is also called the formula weight. Clear? I think right side is also completed. Now moving to the another one example, this time also from your NCERT, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Now first symbol sulfide. Now their valency is hydrogen 1, sulfur 2. Then cross multiply, it will give H2S. Again, then aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. First symbol aluminium, the valency is 3, oxygen is 2. Cross multiply, we will get Al2O3. Complete this in the right column. Also is given here magnesium chloride, the carbon tetrachloride. Why tetra? Because here 4 chlorine atom is there. For this reason it is tetra. Now sodium sulfate, sodium sulfate, sodium 1, sulfate 2, we will get Na2SO4. Then ammonium nitrate. Can you do it? Ammonium nitrate. Student respond. What would be the formula for ammonium nitrate? You can do it. Just check the chart where the valency is given and then follow the 3 steps. Ammonium nitrate. And I will wait here for your answer. Everyone answer on the chat. Till now no one responded. Give answer quickly. NH3NO4, check it. Shubham, check it. Some problem is there. It is not NO4, it is NO3. No, Suhid. Suhid, this is wrong. Okay, just take the chart. This is very simple. So, ammonium NH4, it is the formula for ammonium. Another one is nitrate, it is NO3. Now, follow their valencies. It is 1, it is also 1. So, it will be NH4 NO3. Okay, we have to practice some simple one, then we will move to that. So, can you tell me what is the formula of calcium chloride? Calcium chloride, do it. Calcium chloride, do it. Calcium chloride, do some simple formulas, then we will move to the difficult one. Calcium chloride, first write down the formula. Calcium and then chlorine. Yes, now it is correct. Those who have completed calcium nitrate, okay, no nitrate, do it for sulfate. Take your time. Take time to make the formula of calcium sulfate, and those who could not complete calcium chloride, do it fast. Calcium valency is 2, chlorine is 1, cross multiply CaCl2. Calcium sulfate, Ca2 sulfate, it is also 2. Now follow here Ca2SO4 whole 2. It is not wrong, but according to the representation there is some rules. So here we have to simplify it, it will become CaSO4. Now in your NCERT textbook, the formula is given for sodium carbonate, ammonium sulfate, calcium hydroxide, sodium nitrate. Okay. Class 8 oak was faster with regard to, sorry, not 8 oak, no, here there is 9 oak. They are giving the answer very quickly. Yes, calcium sulfate is the correct one, Subham. Okay, next day I will continue with that. You should remember all the formulas and